These sounds amazing. It's a real live acoustic bass. This is what I've been using, or not this particular one. This just came out, obviously, but this type of bass, acoustic sounds, I've been only using Native Instruments bass. I think they sound amazing for the type of music that I've been releasing lately. Hence the new single we just released, Elivian Rhythm. We're going to be using this bass from now on because I really like this bass. I like all of their basses. Some of my favorites right now, off the top of my head, Prime Bass, the Icon. I've been using the Icon a lot lately. Now the Jam Bass, bruh, this is it. This is probably close to my heart. You know what I mean? And I'm not just saying that. Y'all know I ain't just saying that because we do live streams using these products. So there you have it. There's a affiliate link in the description. If you dig this bass, if you don't already have a good bass, like an acoustic type bass, then I say go for this one. This one is dope. And I feel like they're getting better. Native Instruments is getting better and better and better at this. You know what I mean? So it's cool. It's cool. I like this one too. Very stringy. Oh yeah. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to lay that down. Oh, I like that. My name is Kevin L. B. Kultr, lifestyle governed bar.